Happy Cast Iron Wednesday, everyone. It is snowing outside. What better a night to warm up the house with good, yummy smells. We need some bananas and berries. Oh yeah, bananas and berries. Let's get started. Slice, slice. Ta-da! Look at that. How's that for cheating, huh? Look at them big strawberries. Oh yeah. Boy, that's a big one. Let's even throw some blueberries on there, huh? Let's see if we can get these to thaw a little bit while we make our oatmeal. I know I'm going overboard, but hey, doesn't that look good? 2 eggs in there, ain't that pretty? 3 cups of old-fashioned oats. 2½ cups of milk. 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup. 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And in here I have 1 1/4 teaspoon aluminum-free baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Right up all in this little cup right here. 1, 2 teaspoons with a little touch more of pure vanilla extract. Our 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup. Get every drop in there. Oh yeah. No, not my refrigerator. 2½ cups of milk. Go. Oh, we almost forgot. 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Come here, you egg. I know you're hiding in there. This is where it all comes together. Ready? Oh yeah. Beautiful. Here we go. Isn't that beautiful? Now we are gonna overload this bad boy with bananas and berries. Oh, choo-choo, look at that. Think we can fit it all in there? We're about to find out if this fits. Uh-oh, skate berry. We're gonna make a mess. Avalanche. Now these bananas keep their color for 2 days. After about the 3rd day, then they start to look funky. This is great stuff for leftovers. Uh-oh, we got a couple strawberries with attachment issues. Get in there. My son likes to toast his pecans. These ones are roasted. I'm gonna go ahead. They're gonna toast plenty on the top by themselves. Okay, this recipe calls for 30 to 40 minutes. We are gonna start it at 30 and keep an eye on it. Cook it till it's set and it's nice and toasty on top. Oven is set for 375. We're gonna need all hands on deck. In you go, Buttercup. Now we go outside and watch the snow for half an hour. Ho, 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 driving in the snow. Not enough snow to fill the potholes yet. Getting close. We're gonna give it another 5 minutes. Oh, yummy. Smell that? I know a lot of people don't like oatmeal, but I sure do. And this makes it so much better. Look at that banana. Banana. Pecans. I'm not very camera ready. How about you take a bite? You like it? Yeah? Oh. Oh my God, it's so good. The nutmeg and the banana. Oh. If you like banana bread, you love this. Especially with the strawberries. Oh, strawberry. Thanks for watching my Cast Iron Wednesday. Cheers. Give it a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Thanks. Feel free to load up your leftovers with brown sugar. Even butter if you want. And of course, you may warm it up in the toaster oven. Nothing wrong with a little extra maple syrup on your leftovers. We can get it to come out. Ooh, easy does it. Mine.
Everything there is to know about President Donald Trump's campaign visit to Battle Creek. 8 days out.
That's 1 mile from my house. He'll be there around the time this video is posted, and it's supposed to be a vote for him to be impeached today. We'll see. Interesting fact in history. I thought I'd make note of that.
Parking is still unknown.
Park in my house. We can walk down.
Adjacent to the Kellogg Arena will be closed.